Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a travel-friendly must-have that promises to keep your hair smooth and sleek wherever you go. The REVLON 1875W Compact Folding Handle Hairdryer. If you're always on the go or looking for a compact hairdryer that doesn't compromise on performance, stay tuned to find out if this little powerhouse is worth the space in your bag. This REVLON 1875W compact hairdryer comes with a sleek, folding handle that's perfect for stashing in a travel bag, gym bag, or even a small drawer at home. Despite its compact design, it doesn't skimp on functionality. It features 2 heat and speed settings, allowing you to customize your drying experience based on your hair type or styling needs. The ionic technology promises to reduce frizz and static, leaving your hair with a smooth, conditioned finish. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maintain, making it an ideal option for everyday use or travel. Now, let's dive into how this dryer actually performs. The compact size is definitely a win for storage and travel, easy to throw in a suitcase, and it doesn't take up much space in your bathroom. Despite being small, the 1875-watt motor works pretty efficiently to dry your hair relatively quickly, even if you have thicker or longer locks. It's also great for styling. With the 2 heat speed settings, you can get the right balance between fast drying and a more controlled, gentle blow dry. When it comes to texture and usability, I noticed that the ionic technology makes a visible difference in terms of reducing frizz. My hair felt smoother, softer, and much more manageable after using it. Even though it's not a salon-grade dryer, I was impressed with how it left my hair feeling conditioned, just as promised. For the most part, it's simple to use, and the folding handle makes it easy to store without worrying about it taking up too much space. But there are a few downsides. Because of its compact size, it's not as powerful as a full-size blow dryer, so if you're looking for a super fast drying experience or have very thick, coarse hair, it might not be as quick as you want. The 2 heat speed settings are standard, but don't offer the level of precision you might get with more expensive models. Also, while it works great for reducing frizz, it may not handle very high humidity well, so it might not be the best for extremely humid climates. The REVLON 1875W hairdryer provides solid value for its price. It's a compact, travel-ready device with the right balance of power and convenience, especially if you travel frequently. At this price point, it performs well enough for everyday use, though it may not replace a high-end professional dryer in terms of speed and intensity. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, space-saving option that won't weigh you down, this dryer is a great contender. If you're considering other options, you might find similar products in the same price range, but they won't typically offer the same balance of features like the ionic technology or universal voltage. Some dryers may have better heat control or faster drying times, but they might not be as compact or convenient for travel. The build quality is solid, with a plastic casing that feels durable without being too heavy. The folding handle is a nice touch for packing it away, but it's worth noting that the dryer isn't as robust as more expensive options. As for longevity, with proper care and regular cleaning, this product should hold up well for a good while. In terms of customer support, I've had positive experiences with REVLON in the past, and they're known for being responsive. While I haven't personally needed customer service for this product, the brand's reputation for handling queries and complaints should give peace of mind. Finally, this hairdryer's dual voltage feature is a huge plus for frequent travelers. It works worldwide, so you don't have to worry about power outlets when you're abroad. Final thoughts: the REVLON 1875W Compact Folding Handle Hairdryer is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly hairdryer that delivers good performance for the price. It reduces frizz, dries hair quickly enough for most people, and is easy to store and use. While it's not as powerful as some professional-grade dryers, it's perfect for those who need a compact solution for travel or everyday use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.